Positioned between Japan's ancient capital Kyoto and its largest lake Biwa stands the sacred Mount Hieizan. Home to Enryaku-ji, the headquarters of one of Japan's most prominent Buddhist sects, this mountain has for centuries been held as among the most culturally important locations in the country, and today attracts droves of visitors eager to experience its incredible atmosphere and history, along with the other visit-worthy attractions in its vicinity. And this is exactly where we're headed. I'm Sam Evans, staff writer for JapanGuide.com, and today I'm on assignment around Mount Hieizan. Here's the plan. We start the day in Osaka and ride the trains north to Lake Biwa, with one transfer along the way. Upon arriving at the lake's southern shores, we'll take a pleasant sightseeing cruise. After this, we make a brief stop to explore Hiyoshi Shrine before taking the cable car up Mount Hieizan. Once at the top, we'll spend the rest of the afternoon exploring historic Enryaku-ji Temple's vast grounds. Finally, we'll descend the mountain and take the trains back to Osaka. So follow along as we take a short side trip from Osaka to Mount Hieizan. We're about to board the Michigan Sightseeing Cruise, an American-style paddle steamer that leaves Otsu Port multiple times a day and gives tours of Lake Biwa. All aboard. After a brief train ride, our next stop is Hiyoshi Shrine, whose beautiful forested grounds sit at the base of Mount Hieizan. From Hiyoshi Shrine, we make the short walk to the nearby cable car station to finally head up the mountain. Our first stop after arriving at the top of Mount Hieizan is the Enryaku-ji Kaikan, where we'll partake in a traditional temple lunch. So this is Shojin Ryori, a Buddhist cuisine that is also vegetarian. This rice part that we've got here, which is locally sourced from Shiga Prefecture, which we're in now. We have some tempura fried vegetables, including shiitake mushroom, one of my favorites, and an old favorite yuba, which is tofu skin. This is daizu tampaku, a food made of beans that apparently tastes a lot like meat, so I'm about to try it. That's delicious. After lunch, we'll explore the main areas of Enryaku-ji Temple's grounds. We'll start in the east area called Todo, and then take the pleasant walking path to the west area called Saito. Enryaku-ji, where we are now, was founded around 1,200 years ago on this mountain, Mount Hieizan, and stands today as the headquarters of Tendai, which is one of the most important sects of Japanese Buddhism. We're busy right now exploring the eastern part of the temple, but after this we're going to go on a walk through the woods and get to the western side and explore that. Now that we've seen both the east and west areas of Enryaku-ji, it's time to descend the mountain. This is a multi-step process. First we'll take a bus, then a ropeway, And lastly, a cable car. Before riding the Eizan train line to Kyoto. From here, we'll take the train back to Osaka and our trip will come to an end. Thanks for joining me. I hope this video has been enjoyable and perhaps even inspires some ideas should you be planning a day trip in the Kansai region. For more information about Mount Hieizan or to watch another video, click the links on the screen now or head over to japanguide.com, your comprehensive, up-to-date travel guide first-hand from Japan. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos about Japan. Happy travels!